Hello everyone, we have here exponential equation e to the power of 3x minus 3 equals 3. And we're looking for the value of x. In here, to solve the equation, we'll be using the logarithm, the laws of logarithm. We can use the natural logarithm or common logarithm. But since the base is e, so it's more common to use natural logarithm. Since natural logarithm is the same as ln is the same as common logarithm with base e. So that's the equivalent. So in here we'll be using the natural logarithm. So we take the common logarithm on both sides. So that's natural logarithm of e to the power of 3x minus 3 is natural logarithm of 3. Taking down the exponent. So we have e to the power of 3x minus 3 times natural logarithm of e equals natural logarithm of 3. In here, natural logarithm of e is 1. So we have e to the power of 3x minus 3 equals natural logarithm of 3. And in here, if you notice, we still have the base is e over here. So we're taking natural logarithm on both sides again, since we have base e on the left hand side. So we take natural logarithm of e to the power of 3x minus 3 equals natural logarithm of 3. We're taking down the exponent one more time. So this is now 3x minus 3 times natural logarithm of e equals natural logarithm of the natural logarithm of 3. And in here, natural logarithm of e is 1. So we have 3x minus 3 equals natural logarithm of the natural logarithm of 3. Simplifying the whole equation, x is equal to natural logarithm of the natural logarithm of 3. Taking that negative 3 to the right hand side, it will be plus 3. And we have the coefficient of x as 3, so divide the whole thing with 3. Or the value of x is equal to natural logarithm of the natural logarithm of 3. Since we have the common denominator of 3, so that is divided by 3, then plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this is our final answer. And so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Bye.